Did you know there are particular settings in the YouTube studios that a lot of people take for granted, but they are so important? I'm going to show you this particular setting that once you turn them on, the YouTube algorithm literally recommends your video to the audience. Hey, new here, you're most welcome. Please make sure to subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some particular settings, some important settings that you have to make sure you turn on your YouTube channel so that you trick the YouTube algorithm to promote your videos, to recommend your videos to the YouTube community. And this actually works. I've seen a lot of YouTubers talking about this, and I myself have tried to use them, and I'm actually seeing a difference between before and after turning on these settings. So please make sure you like this video as we go through the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing you do, you go to your favorite browser and log into the YouTube Studio website. So after logging into your YouTube Studio on the YouTube website, this is how the channel dashboard looks like. So after logging in, you go to the bottom of the channel dashboard and tap onto this setting sign here. After tapping in, this is what will actually come. And we are going to insert our first setting that actually a lot of people minimize, a lot of people take for granted, but they are so important. After here, you tap on the word channel. All right, so when you reach on this screen, there is country of residence on basic info, and then there is keywords. Please pay attention on this step. So with the country of residence, you have to put the country where you are living in as you, a person. So when you tap here, you'll see that there are a lot of countries here. So you have to put the country where you live in, and don't make a mistake of putting a country where you don't live in. I've seen a lot of people put USA. That will actually affect you when you come to monetization stage. So you have to make sure that you put the correct information. As in, when you're from Uganda like me, you tap on Uganda. When you're from Nigeria, you tap on Nigeria, Serbia, Senegal, or any other country. Is this Spain, Qatar? You know your own country. All right. So after that, we come to the next step, which are keywords. So with the keywords, here you have to be so keen. The keywords actually have to explain the niche of your channel. The keywords you insert here, they have to explain the niche of your channel. They have to explain the YouTube videos that you make in brief. All right, so with me, as you see, I've put entertainment, lifestyle, personal development. There are a lot. There is earning man on YouTube, teaching videos, growing YouTube channel, content creator, make man online tips, you get? So you have to put the kind of keywords that actually explains about your niche and your YouTube videos, okay? So if you make daily life vlogs, you can put vlogs, entertainment, lifestyle, you get? So you have to actually do research and get the suitable keywords that you insert in this section. Okay, that will actually help you to trigger, to convince the YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos to the correct and the right audience on YouTube. The next setting is on upload defaults. After tapping on upload defaults, you come to advanced settings. All right, so you have to check this tick here where you see that tick. You have to make sure that it looks that way, it looks white. So that's when it is actually checked. And then after there, you come to category. After tapping here, you will see a lot of categories here, but you have to choose which kind of videos you make on your YouTube channel. Where do they lie to? Where do they fall to? You'll see here there is none, auto, and anyway, none is not an option, but in case you find that all these categories don't fall to your videos, you actually can choose none. But there is auto and vehicles, comedy, education, entertainment, film and animation, gaming, how to and style, music, news and politics, non-profits activities. Okay, so you have to actually choose out of this. If you're making vlogs, you have to, that could be entertainment. If you're doing comedy, it is comedy. If you're a musician, you have to tap on music. Okay, you have to make sure that you actually get one of these. If you're making different things, there is people and blogs. If you do interviews about people, okay, so you have to make sure that you choose the correct thing that lies to your videos. So if you make teaching videos like the ones I do, you have to choose how to and style. All right, that is our last setting that is so important, that will actually trigger the YouTube algorithm to put your YouTube channel on top of the recommendations. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope that was helpful. Always leave feedback in the comment section so that I can actually know that these videos I'm making help someone out there. Leave me feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications for more tips and hacks on how you can grow your YouTube channel to become a successful YouTuber. See you in the next video.